Hi guys, at Police Station level crossing in Shropshire, my home's in Combs. Oh dear! Oh dear! Oh dear! Right, the time now is
14:26
on
Sunday the 20th
oh there we go, it's
of
just
August.
2023, we're down for our...
Train.
Right, should we go stand over there, because the trains are a bit fast here.
Stay here a bit nicely.
No, Dad, I wouldn't do that. Because there could be a train coming from that way. That was a bit weird. We had a flat tone alarm here. Another flat tone alarm, same as Blythe Bridge. So I remember JP Level Crossing UK filmed here and it was a faulty alarm, but it's now turned to a flat tone alarm.
It alarms, that's the main thing.
Network Rail has to sort that out. I think I hear it.
So we'll jump in the car, yeah? After this. So do you want to wait for the Crewe to Shrewsbury train?
Crewe to Shrewsbury.
Shrewsbury to Crewe, sorry.
Shrewsbury to Crewe.
And then we'll hot foot it over to Wem and try and catch one there.
Okay. I'll just stand next to your car.
Actually, it's just another level crossing, does it? It's raised up over the bridge.
And yet again they have their American style barriers here. I think I hear it. Not sure, but I think it might be here. Will it be coming from that way?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a mixed class. 153.
Here it is. I hear it. Oh, Northern. A Northern livery there. And up they go. Should we cross over? Thank you guys, we'll see you next video.